Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week we made massive profit from the gold trading. You can join with Telegram, link is below, and gold trading community and made good profit. So I'm in a forward chart gold. So I am seeing here technically picture two important level zones. This is the first zone is the 3275 zone. Price is still not break out to this level important level, so price again push to the upside, so not like this, so not breakouts again. Last Friday push from this level to upside, so this zone important for next week gold trading. So next important zone is this zone 3365 zone. Price several times rejected from this level. You can see still not break out to this resistance level. So these two levels important next week gold trading. 3365 level, that's the price breakout to this level retest, that is your buy opportunity, and next level resistance is 3500 is the next level resistance level. So you should wait for the price action next week before gold trading. So price again rejected from this level and dropped and break out to below support level 3275 zone, breakout retest. That is your sell opportunity in next week. So that is the technical picture indicate for our charts. Again I am seeing here in pattern. So with the 4-hour chart technically I am seeing here head and shoulder pattern in here chart. So this chart, so this is the left shoulder and the head created, and this is the right shoulder. This is the famous reversal pattern. This pattern can be an inverse pattern also. This pattern I am seeing here for our chart technically picture. So that's the technical picture indicates in 4-hour chart. So I'm going to the Fed Watch Tool website. So next FOMC meeting in May month. So May FOMC meetings. So Fed Watch Tool indicates so rate post 89% rate post price into the market. So rate cutoff not price in next FOMC meeting. So June FOMC meeting. So that indicates so 57% June FOMC meeting price into the rate cutoff. You can see June FOMC meeting. This is the rate cut forecast. 57% price into the 25 BPS rate cutoff. So rate cutoff price in June FOMC meeting, that indicate Fed Watch Tool website. So I am going to the FX Street website. So next week heavy economic data regarding US dollar. That's the FX Street website mentioned. Traders braced for heavy US data week, including GDP, ISM, and non-farm payroll. So next week heavy economic data regarding US dollar. That's the NFP data is in next week Friday. You can see so drop forecast Federal Reserve, American Central Bank, and unemployment rate 4.2%, and the NFP data labor market import next week, and the GDP next week Wednesday. GDP quarterly report, that the advanced GDP quarterly report drop forecast to 2.4% to 0.4%, and the core PC price index also drop forecast. So next week so heavy economic data that will decide the gold price push to the upside or push to the downside. So trade war also in continuing. Remember, gold is a safe haven asset. So market uncertainty, trade war uncertainty, gold will demand to the upside. So last week gold created 3,500 new all-time high price. So that's the next week important economic data. So GDP quarterly report and the PC price index and the NFP data. That's the ISM data also, and the average hourly earnings and unemployment rate economic data more important next week. So that's the economic data. So I am going to the 1 hour chart. So what is that important patterns levels you should touch with the 1 hour chart? So this is the 4 hour chart. So I am going to the 1 hour chart. So important economic important level. This is the 1 hour chart. So I am seeing here trend line. So this trend line I am seeing here, this 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart I am seeing here this trend line. So this is the trend line I am seeing here, 1 hour chart. You can see this is the upper trend line. So price is still in this trend line. You can see with the 1 hour chart forecast. So what price still is in this trend line. This is the 1 hour chart. So price is in still this trend line with the 1 hour chart. So this like this. So breakout to this upper trend line. So this is the resistance level. 3365 is the next resistance level. So this is the 1 hour chart I am seeing here, this the trend line. And so not break out this trend line and price push to the downside. So that is the below support level breakout. That is your sell opportunity with the technical picture 1 hour chart. So that is the indicate 1 hour chart technically picture. So that's the important zone. 3365 and 3275 is still important zone with the 1 hour chart. So below target is the 3200. So I am going to the daily chart. So what is the daily candles last 5 weeks, last 5 days? This is the rejected from 3500 price, rejectors from last week. So last week 5 daily candle indicates 3 red candles you can see. So sellers are inactive in last week to gold price sell. So that's the daily chart indicates. So last week. So I am going to the weekly chart. So weekly chart indicates. So that's the last week weekly candle. This is the still sellers are inactive in the last week. So this weekly candle indicates. So next week also can be sellers active, but market uncertainty, global trade uncertainty continuing, gold price can be pushed to the upside. So you should touch with it. So you can join with my Telegram, link is below. Made good profit from the gold trading. So link is below, join with it. So thank you very much.